Hello everybody, this is Shankar from System Based Labs. Today we begin a new series, Human plus AI, the new engineering paradigm of work. This is not just about technology. This is about how work itself is evolving. And we begin with a question everyone is asking. Will AI replace humans? Let us separate reality from hype, because this is not the first time we faced this fear. Let us go back. In the late 1980s, personal computers entered the workplace. People believed computers would replace humans, jobs would disappear, work would be automated, humans would become irrelevant. But history proved otherwise. Computers amplified human capability. New industries emerged. Productivity increased. The economy expanded. People did not disappear. They evolved. Now move to the late 1990s. The internet arrived. Again, the same fear. Everything would move online. Retail would collapse. Jobs would vanish. But again, history proved otherwise. The internet created entirely new economies. E-commerce, digital platforms, global connectivity. More jobs were created than eliminated. And the standard of living improved. Now we stand at the third wave, artificial intelligence. And once again, the same narrative returns. AI will replace humans. AI will eliminate jobs. AI will make human work obsolete. But this is not new. This is a pattern. Every technological shift removes one thing, low context, repetitive work, and creates another, higher level, more meaningful work. So what is actually happening? AI is not replacing humans. AI is replacing tasks. Repetitive tasks, mechanical tasks, low decision tasks. But human roles are not disappearing. They are moving up from doing to designing, from coding to guiding intelligence, from execution to decision making. Earlier, humans performed the work. Now humans design systems that perform the work. That is the shift, and that is the opportunity. Here is the truth. AI can generate answers, but it cannot define the right question. AI can execute tasks, but it cannot define the right objective. AI can process data, but it cannot understand intent the way humans do. So the future is not human versus AI. It is human plus AI. And the winners will not be those who resist AI. The winners will be those who learn how to work with it. Let me leave you with this. AI will not replace humans, but humans who understand AI will replace those who do not. We will see you in the next video. Video 2, Human Roles in Predictive and Generative AI, where we explore how humans and AI work together, from prediction to generation to decision making. This is Shankar from System Based Labs. See you in the next video. Good luck and goodbye.